Welcome to Palmistry Analyst. Today I talk about the hands of Sushant Singh Rajput, a successful Bollywood film actor. Sushant Singh Rajput was born on 21st January 1986 and died on 14 June 2020 at the age of 34. He gained success and fame in Bollywood film as MS Dhoni in The Untold Story and Kedarnath, etc. His sudden demise at the age of 34 have created many questions and doubt. However, I analyze the hand of Sushant Singh Rajput. The picture of the right hand and the left hand of Sushant Singh Rajput are shown here. The lifeline started from the lower part of the Mount of Jupiter. It is a good sign, and the headline started jointly with lifeline and inclined to the Mount of Moon, which indicates the great power of imagination. The heartline joined with the headline as well as with lifeline. It is not a good sign. The fate line started from the wrist and ended at the headline, and there is a cross sign on the Mount of Saturn, and there are also two marriage lines on the Mount of Mercury. Now I explain the feature and character of this line. The Mount of Jupiter is very good, and the lifeline starting from the lower part of the Mount of Jupiter indicates that the person was very ambitious. The Mount of Venus and Moon are very good, and excellent fate line indicates gaining success, fame, money as an actor up to the age of 35. The headline joined with the lifeline at starting indicates that the person was very careful and cautious, and he did not undertake anything which had any element of any risk. The Mount of Jupiter, Venus and Moon are good, and there is a good fate line, and this sloping headline towards the Mount of Moon indicates the person would gain success, fame and money as an actor, as all other indications were good. The heartline merged with the headline indicates that the heart always interferes with the affairs of the head. It means that all decisions have been influenced by affection and love. The heartline joined with the headline under the Mount of Saturn indicates disaster due to unreasoning passion. There is a break on the headline of the left hand at the age from 34 to 36. It indicates that there was a probability of happening disaster at the age of 34 to 36. There are two marriage lines on the Mount of Mercury. It indicates that first marriage or affair did not last. The sign of cross on the Mount of Saturn denotes bad effect, and it increased fatalistic tendency of the life. It is found in the picture that four fingers are close together and the thumb is forcibly extended and it makes at an angle of 90 degrees. It indicates that the person is of a balanced disposition. It is clear in the picture that thumbs are flexible as it bent backward from the joint. It indicates that the person is positive, flexible, and able to adjust himself to any circumstances. All signs and lines in the picture of the hand are not clear and visible. However, I have tried to my best to explain and analyze the hand. Let me finish today. Thanks for watching.